Katie here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this super duper easy Play-Doh. You only need a few ingredients, which I'll show you in the video, and you can make it at home with your adults or brothers and sisters, whoever you like, and you can play with it and make some lovely things. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we're going to need flour. I've got 200 grams of flour in here. It doesn't matter if it's plain or self-raising, either will do. So I'm going to put this in the bowl. In it goes. And then I'm going to get this salt. I've got 100 grams of salt in here. Can you see? So I'm going to pour all that in there. Next, we need cream of tartar. You're going to need about 2 tablespoons of this, which is all I've got left, so I'm just going to bang mine in. There we go. Shake it all in. There we go. And you're going to mix. So get your spoon and mix it in. You see, it's all getting nicely mixed together. Okay. Now we're going to use water, which I've got 300 millilitres of in here. Doesn't matter if it's hot or cold. I've got cold just because it's easier and quicker. So then we're going to add some oil in. You're going to want 2 teaspoons. So we're going to do 1, 2, splash. There we go. So I've done my oil. And then you're going to move this over so you can see there's oil in there. Can you see it separated from the water? And then we're going to put the colour in. I'm going to use this purple, you see? So I'm going to do a little bit of a squeeze of that. Squirt! Ugh. Okay. So now you can see that it's got lots of colour in it. I'm going to mix it up with my spoon, like this. That's looking like a nice colour purple, perfect. Just what I wanted. So then, I'm going to pour this into my flour. Okay. I'm going to pour that in. There we go. Now, this is going to be mixed up. So I'm going to mix it, be really careful so that the flour doesn't jump out the bowl. So mix, mix, mix. Okay, right, that's mixed enough now. Okay, next step is to microwave it. We're going to cook the Play-Doh. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes at a time. So you're going to put it in. After 2 minutes, you're going to give it a mix and a stir up, and then you're going to put it in again for 2 minutes and then stir it, and then another 2 minutes and stir it. So then take it out and see what it looks like. If it's quite thick and Play-Doh like, you're all good to go. But when you're doing this, you're going to need an adult to help you, definitely, because the bowl gets really hot when it comes out the microwave, so don't touch, okay? Okay, I've done my cooking. My Play-Doh is cooked and it's ready. The bowl is very hot. My Play-Doh is very hot. You see it's very thick and cooked. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this Play-Doh and put it on the desk. So, okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to sort of knead it like this, like bread. But it's so hot because it's just come out of the microwave. So we're going to make sure we get the air out of it, and adults need to be doing this bit because it's super hot and I don't want to burn your fingers. Oh, stretch it out, let the heat out of it, give it a blow, like that. There we go, let that air out. Okay, so you're going to want to knead this Play-Doh until it's super soft and smooth like this. And you see I can squish it and squash it and squeeze it. You're going to want to leave it to cool down before you play with it because it's very hot. Okay, Okay, there we have it. We've made our Play-Doh. Now you can put glitter in it, you can put sequins in it, you can put whatever you like in it, googly eyes if you like, and make all your lovely favourite things to do. I like making snails out of mine, that's my favourite thing to make. I wonder what your favourite things are to make. You can show us on Tapestry some of the lovely Play-Dohs that you've made at home. Have a lovely day, everyone.